before you switch anything, the first thing that you swap was the CPU?
No, motherboard.
So but the motherboard first.
Okay, and I kept... What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of The Tire Hustle. So today I'm going to do things a little bit differently. Since I've mentioned that I meet all kinds of different people when I do my side hustle, such as dealers, body shops, anything automotive related, I'm going to go ahead and flip the script today and show a little bit about the other types of people I meet. And sometimes I trade my tires for their products or their services. Yeah, this is it. $295, 30, 21. What's up, man? How's it going? All right, so this is it. Let me throw it in the trunk for you?
Yes. $95, 30?
Yeah.
Oh, you said that there's one with a patch, right?
Yeah, I can't remember. I don't think it is. I think maybe this one has a plug. It's in the ad. Isn't it? No, that's the sensor. That's the right here. But it's good. It's good to go. I put in the ad.
Yes. Yeah, I remember seeing it. I just wanted to know what year.
Take a look. Oh shit! Because it's from different cars. It's from different cars.
Okay, but it looks to be threaded.
Yeah, this is like 22, year 22.
That one is 22, right?
This one should 23.
23. Okay.
All right. All right. Let me get that. All right. All right. I'm okay, thanks. All right, cool, thanks, man. Have a good day. All right. So I'm done with that, but we're gonna do something a little bit different today. Something that I don't always do, but once in a while I do. All right, let's put these back first. All right, we're gonna do something special with this one today. So what am I doing with this tire today? So this is a 245 3520. It's like a very in-demand size. This tire goes for, I think it goes for close to $400, $450. But the thing is, I only have one of them. So what I'm going to do is, I'm trading this to another guy who, he does computer services. So I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to see if he's okay with me filming. And I'll film everything that happens when I go down there today. So let's bring this out. And hopefully I can continue filming. I have to get the okay from him first. This is called white glove service. And we're gonna go on an adventure tonight. Hopefully. This is the PC I need work on. So we'll go to the guy tonight. Alright, so I'm back. Long story. It's kind of ironic. Same day as I'm trading the tires for the computer service. I'm meeting a dealer. So I'm gonna try and theme this video about, you know, different types of other entrepreneurs, other business people that I meet. And that's the theme. Got a pair of Pirellis, 255 35 19. It's for the BMW M3 M4. We have another one here, Same size as a run flat. Another one that's Bridgestone, and that one's a 225 45 18. That's some off-brand. So he's a dealer, so he wants an extra 255 35 19. What's up, bro?
What's up, brother?
How's it going? Okay. So
I need 2 of those wider ones and one of the. I'm just all brand.
all right, so these are all 255 35 19. This is a Bridgestone. It's all season. This one's a summer. It's a run flat. Those are 2 Pirellis.
The other one you had?
Yeah, it's just some off-brand.
Is it decent?
Yeah, I mean, I don't really deal with this brand. It's gonna sit around for a while. So if you want, it's just like $20 or whatever. No big deal. Yo, that one. It's good. It's good. It's good. Yeah, so if you want either one of these, like 6.
I need 2 of them. That's the thing.
Yeah, you need 2 matching on top of that, or
I want 4 matching, but 2 is fine because I want to put 2 in the back, 2 in the front that are matching. You know, I don't want to have mismatch.
yeah, if you want to take those and then you want one of these or no?
The same size, right?
They're the same size.
Just these 4, right?
Okay,
And this one.
just take it for $20. Like it's just taking.
Do for everything 200 cash. I came out if you can. Fuck it, I'll buy more from you in the future. Also.
You're a dealer, right? Well, here's the thing. You, like, I get a lot of dealers telling me that, so.
No, I'm actually a dealer. I'll buy for more than 1 car.
Okay, all right.
I don't bullshit.
Yeah, I'll do it for 200. Yeah, just all right, cool.
This tire should be good. What is it? 245.
225 45 18.
That was what I sent you, right?
Yeah, 225 45 18.
The Benz. Double check.
Yeah, I mean, if you're a dealer, you just need the tire to be good for the car.
As long as it matches, I just want to sell the car and that's it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna save your number and then we're gonna stay in touch because I need tires all the time. Literally.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right, you guys saw how that went. He says he's a dealer. Whether he is a dealer or not, only time will tell. So let's be on our way. I'm gonna go get the computer fixed right now. Hello? Hey, so I'm on the way now. It says like 40 minutes, but I got a couple questions. It says Mount Sinai. So are you in the hospital or are you like near the hospital?
Right inside, my boy.
You're in front of the hospital?
Yeah, I'm right outside. As soon as you pull up, you're sleeping.
Okay, so I mean, am I looking for a shop or anything?
No, just pull up to the front of the hospital, you're sleeping.
Okay. I'll call you when I'm like a few minutes away. And then another thing, this is kind of odd, but I do YouTube. So do you mind if I record?
Sure.
You're cool with that?
Sure.
Okay, cool. I'm on my way. So this is about 40 minutes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, thanks. So I'm driving out to meet the guy. He's like 15, 20 miles from where I am. And I'm in this weird situation because I've never met this guy before. And he messaged me actually on OfferUp. And we were just talking. And then he basically had a problem with the computer. And I noticed he does computer services. So I'm also taking a risk right now by driving over here. I mean, I don't think anything's gonna happen, but as far as I'm leaving the computer with him, so he could just take off with it at any time. But that's a risk I'm willing to take simply because I've had some problems with this computer. No one else can fix it, but supposedly based on his profile on his computer services, he has all the tools so he can run the full diagnostics on it. He has all the tools so he can run the full diagnostics on it. So I'm just kind of like taking a risk. But if he steals a computer, that's on me. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but you know, again, that's on me. Yeah.
See?
Yeah, it's really bad. It's really bad.
It's gonna drive with a pothole that goes through. That's all.
Yeah, shit. All right, so
Let me see the computer.
yeah,
Oh damn, what's that big ass box?
yeah. Well, it's a little bit smaller than the box, so
They said doesn't turn on. But well, after you leave, I'm gonna want you to just like text me a full description of like exactly what you think was wrong with it, than what you were experiencing. Okay?
I took it home. I turned it on. It didn't work. I took it to another guy to fix it. He told me it's either motherboard or CPU. So then I was like, okay, let me just get the motherboard because it's cheaper between the two, and I want to upgrade anyway.
Yeah.
That didn't work. Got a CPU. It turned on, but the thing is, nothing's coming out of the GPU.
So, but before you switch anything, the first thing that you swapped was the CPU.
No, motherboard.
So
But
the
I kept,
motherboard first,
and I kept the old CPU.
and kept the old CPU. So the motherboard was maybe the problem. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You just move the seat up later, and I'll get you the tire. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'll text you everything I just told you about the computer when I get home. It's like 45 minutes, but when I get home, I'll text you everything that we went over. Okay?
Yeah.
And then
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I message you tonight and be like, hey, I found the problem.
okay, so I just left the place where the guy works. His name is Duval, and I'm guessing he has more than one job. I know that, so you know I know how that goes. So he does the computers, I believe part-time, and another job. So hopefully he can take a look at the computer, and I'll do a follow-up and see what happens with it. So I'm actually going to end the video right here. I'm not sure if there's even going to be a part 2, because literally, you know, I gave the guy the computer 3 days ago on a Sunday. Today's a Tuesday. It took me about 2 days to edit this. So I don't even know what's going to happen with the computer. While we're all waiting to see what happens with part 2, I'm going to leave this here for you guys' enjoyment. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.